The next gamer here coming at you with another video today. I'm going to do a pack opening. I'm going to be opening up some 25k packs. Yeah, 25k packs. I'm going to open about maybe 15 of these packs and see what we get. Hopefully we get something good. If I get at least 3 likes plus, I will do a 1 million coin pack opening. Okay, so let's get started. First pack, Deji. First pack. Not. Oh, that was a nice pack. It's actually really good in the pack. Storm Club. Anything else we get? And quick sell. Second pack. See what we get. That was nothing. Come on, please. These packs. Come on, I need something good. Please give me something good. Nothing good in these packs. I'll just save it all in club. I need more players. Let's see what we get. I already packed him like 30 times already. It sucks, man. Come on, man. Come on, please. Give me packs. Yeah! What a pack. Nice. Yes. Nice. Ooh. I didn't even notice Tevez. That was a nice. This is either pack. Yeah, this is pack 4 or 5. Yeah, this is 5. Nothing. Got no one. Quick solo. See, this is summer 6. Pack 6. I'm just gonna save all in club. Pack 7. Pack 7. No. Come on. I actually never packed John Terry before, so just save all the club. Pack 8. Pack 8, nothing. I'm actually doing more if I get any other good players in the next few packs. Amsisk, or however you say his name. I already packed him. I sold him on FIFA on the market. Lacazette, not bad. No, I want to keep him. Ooh, free pack. So this is pack 9, I guess. Not bad. I'm just saving a lot of players because the money and stuff, and I could get a really rich club. Nice. You know, I guess how I got these all these coins. I sold a Messi on transfer market, and it's very good. I packed him in a 100k pack. Ooh, Tony Cruz again. And Lacazette. I mean Lavezzi. To transfer. And nothing else. Quick solo. Let's see what we get this time. Let's see what we pack. No. We pack Joe Hart. Is that his name? Yeah, Joe Hart. Save Ball Club. Pack packs. Oh. Free pack. Yeah. Transfer. I'm gonna open up until I get to 3 mil. Just straight up 3 mil. Let's see. Clint Dempsey. Not really the pack I'm looking forward. Inform or something would be nice. Like Inform record breaking Ronaldo would be nice. Tevez, not bad. Not bad at all. I would still like to get a record breaker Ronaldo, Hummels, or Ibra. Come on, packs. And nope. I'm probably going to buy into 3 mil, open maybe some more packs, and go like after I get done this, and then I'm probably gonna go open packs off of this and see what I get, and maybe like buy a few players and DeRozan, DeRozan, whatever his name is. Save Water Club, quick sell, and let's see what we get. I might try to Dumbia. Not bad. He's actually pretty nice. He has some good stats. See what we get this time. Packs. Yes! Inform. Oh! That was a great pack. Got Inform. Got Ashley Cole. Got Diego Costa. And free pack. I'm just going to save all in club. Like so. I'm probably going to be selling a few players that I get in these packs. Like, that past pack was kind of horrific. Now, come on. Quick sell. Yes. You guys should leave superstitions and... Ooh, another Diego Costa. That's actually... This is some really good packs. Quick sell. Let's see what we get this time. No. Nope. Not even close. Wait, is that PSG? Ooh. Is it wrong club? Nope. Got no one. Now, next pack. We're coming down to our last few packs. And not bad. Another Manchester badge. Save all in club. Just quick sell. We have about another pack or so. And I think this is our... Yeah? Okay. Sorry, that's my mom real quick. Wait, did I just sell DeRozan? Tell me I didn't. What is it? Last pack. Last pack for today. Let's see what we get. Come on, cross your fingers. Inform. Oh! Inform Cisse. Yes! I already packed him before, and he's not a bad player. Yep. this is it. Say what players you want me to do, like. Peace out, YouTube. Gotta go, YouTube. See you guys later.